So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPJPY. So let's see what GBPJPY is actually going to be doing for us for the day. But first thing first, guys, if you are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and not to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's start with this trend right here. What do you see the trend is on your uh, GBPJPY? This is very simple. GBPJPY, right? This is the trend on your forward time. The overall trend on GBPJPY is on an uptrend move. We are in an uptrend move right here. This is our overall movement on GBPJPY. The overall movement on GBPJPY is an uptrend move. We are very much trending to the upside. You can see it right here. This movement has been going on for the past 2 years, about 2024, right? So since 2024, market has been giving us that massive bullish move right here. Now, market eventually dropped again to tap the support zone. So you can see it right. Market eventually dropped to tap the support zone. So take a look at this movement right here. Markets once came a drop, tapped our support level. Markets eventually rejected from the resistance support and came back to tap our resistance. The market will eventually reject from the resistance. This kind of then it to be brought to this support level, which came to our support level. Market also got to the support level, rejected and came back to our resistance. Market also rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support. Now we will be expecting market to drop further fully till it is able to completely tap this our support level. That is what we should be expecting for the day. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates. Like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.